Hey guys, thanks for tuning into my channel. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a video whenever I do upload in the future. So today's video is going to be about breakage, okay? The first thing that I want to point out that's very, very important is that shedding is normal. It is okay to shed from the root. So usually when you have shed hair, it's the whole length of your hair and there's a little white ball right at the tip. That's when you know that you are shedding. Now, the problem comes in when it starts to break. So let's say you know go to the bathroom and you're brushing your hair and all over the floor you're seeing little pieces of hair everywhere. That's not good and that's not normal. That means there's something wrong, and if you don't try to rectify the situation, you lose length. You don't retain length, and then you're stuck in a plateau and your hair doesn't grow. Well, it grows, there's just no retention, and we want retention. So the rest of this video, I am going to show you my DIY concoction, and I use it every week. I've been using it every week for the past 2 months, and it's been working wonders. So the rest of this video is going to be a voiceover. I'm going to walk you through my process. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the other side.
You'll need 1 aloe vera plant, an avocado, a ripe banana, a mixing bowl, and a sieve. First, I'm going to prep the avocado, and I'm going to cut it in bit sizes so that it's easier for me to prepare. I find it easier for me to fillet the aloe vera plant and just have the middle meat left. Once that's done, I cut it up so it's easier to blend and put it in the blender. Once that is done, I am going to blend the aloe vera plant. I don't want any chunks to be in my hair, so I blend it separately so that I can sieve it, and you'll see what I do with it next. In this next step, I am peeling the avocado and putting the whole plant into the blender, and also peel the banana and put that in the blender. And last, I use the juice of the aloe vera plant and blend everything together. Once everything is blended, I sieve the mixture once more. And I do this because the banana sometimes has seeds and I don't want that caught in my hair. When you're done, you're left with a very, very smooth consistency. For this next step, I put some of the aloe vera juice in an applicator bottle and just go all around my scalp and put it in and massage it very, very well. I do this because every now and then I get a little bit of flaking, and aloe vera is very good with moisturizing the scalp and adding moisture to the scalp so you don't have as much flaking. Once that is done, I proceed to separating my hair into 4 sections and adding the mixture. So I just go ahead and add this in all over my hair and make sure that I massage it in my hair thoroughly. And one step that I did not show on here that I ended up doing is I added some water. So make sure that you do add some water if you feel like it is too dry, or if your hair is not as detangled as mine is. That will help the application process a lot. Once that is done, I put a plastic cap over my head and let the mixture sit in my hair for about an hour. You can do longer if you wish, but an hour is usually just fine for me. And once that is done and over with, I proceed to washing my hair like a normal wash day. I just shampoo and I condition and style as normal. What you're seeing right now is basically what the mixture looks like in my hair after the hour has gone by. As you can see, it looks a little bit more moisturized and my curls are definitely popping a lot more.